A massive wildfire erupted near the outskirts of Jerusalem, spreading rapidly due to strong desert winds and dry vegetation. The flames engulfed a wide swath of land, moving closer to residential neighborhoods and prompting urgent evacuations. Firefighters from across the region were mobilized as thick plumes of smoke blanketed large sections of the city.
Tá sinistro, tá? Cê é louco.
Residents described scenes of chaos as families fled their homes carrying children, pets, and whatever belongings they could grab. Several homes on the city's western hills were damaged or completely destroyed as the fire crossed containment lines. Authorities issued emergency alerts across phones and loudspeakers, urging people in affected areas to evacuate immediately. The intense heat and fast-moving flames made firefighting efforts dangerous and unpredictable. Helicopters and firefighting planes dropped water and fire retardants, struggling to gain control from the sky. Jerusalem's main roads were jammed with traffic as people tried to escape the danger zones.
Meu Deus do céu, tem misericórdia de nós, que o mundo vai queimar tudo em fogo, ó.
Dozens of residents were treated for smoke inhalation, and several firefighters suffered injuries during the battle to contain the blaze. Meanwhile, similar fires broke out in Haifa, forcing closures of highways and displacing more than 100 residents. In Safed, a smaller but fierce forest fire raged through surrounding woodlands, threatening historic synagogues and homes. The Israeli Fire and Rescue Services declared a nationwide emergency and coordinated with the military for aerial assistance. Local hospitals activated emergency protocols to prepare for incoming casualties. The Ministry of Environmental Protection warned of hazardous air quality in Jerusalem and neighboring towns. Volunteers and community members rushed to help affected families with food, shelter, and supplies.
見小下落噃，剩兩腿長。
Prime ministerial authorities held a crisis meeting and pledged full support for recovery and rebuilding. Officials suspect that the Jerusalem fire may have started from an unattended barbecue in a forested picnic area. Investigations are ongoing, and a formal report is expected within the next few days. Many Israelis compared the fires to those of past years, noting that climate conditions have worsened wildfire risks. Religious leaders called for unity and prayer, holding outdoor gatherings for those displaced by the fire. Schools and public institutions in affected areas were temporarily closed to ensure safety. Emergency shelters were established in sports halls and community centers across the country. Though the fires have mostly been contained, authorities continue to monitor hotspots and issue weather alerts. As Jerusalem and other cities begin the process of healing, many are left with a deep sense of loss, but also immense gratitude for those who fought to protect them.